Dad, Maya, look what I found! Wow, is that a giant seed? Let's plant it! Yes, maybe it will grow into a giant flower. Let's do it! More water means faster growth. Leo, wait! That's enough! Just a little more! Look, it's growing! Wow! Wait, why is it bending? Dad, Maya, what happened? Is it dying? Will it ever grow again? Hi everyone, welcome to our family adventure. If you love fun stories, subscribe to our channel, because today's adventure is really special.
Are you ready?
Let's go! Look, a mysterious seed. Wow, it's glowing. Mom, Dad, come quickly. What happened, Leo? I found something under the old tree.
Under the tree?
Look, what is this? Wow, it looks like a giant seed. Maybe it is a magic seed.
Maybe it is something special, but let's find out first.
It doesn't look like our normal seeds.
That's true. Seeds can look very different.
Maybe a bird dropped it here. Good thinking. Or maybe a giant plant grew from it. Leo, plants don't grow that fast.
But what if this one is special?
There's only one way to find out.
First, we need good soil. I'll make the soil soft. I'll dig the hole.
Not too deep, buddy.
Okay.
Now gently place the seed inside.
Goodbye, little seed.
Sometimes days, I'm soon.
Tomorrow I want a giant tree.
Plants need time, Leo.
Is it growing?
Not yet.
Now?
No. Now?
Still no.
Maybe it needs more water. Just a little water, Leo. I'll give it a lot. Wait.
Oops. Too much water can hurt a plant.
I only wanted to help. Leo, come here.
What?
Look at the soil. Whoa, it grew. Your little seed has started growing. I knew it was magic.
Not magic, buddy. Nature.
Nature is amazing. It's growing so slowly.
Don't worry, it's healthy.
I want it to grow faster. Wait, something is eating our plant. Oh no!
Let's look carefully before we panic.
Good idea.
They're eating our garden.
We need to protect the plant without hurting them.
Let's make a safe plan.
I can check the leaves. I can remove fallen leaves. And I'll make sure the plant gets the right amount of water.
Perfect. Everyone has a job.
Team garden! Team garden! Team garden! It's been so many days. Plants don't hurry. But I want to see the flower.
Good things need time.
What if I add more fertilizer?
Only the right amount.
Okay, I'll wait. I'm waiting. Leo, wake up! Why? Come outside. Wow, look at that!
All your care finally paid off.
I can't believe it! You didn't give up. We didn't give up. So what kind of seed was it?
It was a sunflower seed from a special giant sunflower.
A sunflower? We thought it was magic. Nature can feel magical when we take care of it. I learned something.
What did you learn?
Don't rush. Take care and work together.
Exactly. Remember, kids, plants need water, sunlight, care, and time.
And when we work together, small things can become something beautiful.
So don't give up too quickly. Be patient and keep caring. See you in our next adventure. Bye-bye!